Hi guys, this video is inspired by a cheap Catapult launch glider that I spotted in a charity shop for, I think it was 49 pence or 50 pence or something. I thought I could try and make one myself and make use of the pizza box. The one in the charity shop, the wings were paper covered foam and it had a big rubber bit on the front there to stop it damaging anything when it hits anything. What I'm going to use for wings, I'm just going to try this bit, the flap, push that on there, and then cut another bit for the tail and see if we can get it to fly. I'll use blue tack or something as a nose weight. So the first thing I'll do is just cut this straight up here. That's actually a bit longer than I had in mind. But we'll see how we get on. At least I got the thickness right. Should have measured that so I got the middle right. Okay, a bit for the tail. Just bent that, putting it in. Just a little bit tail heavy, which is good because I want to put the blue tack on the front of it. Yeah, tail heavy. Rubber band on a stick. Flew upside down okay. I'm not going to pretend it's a great design, but after a lot of trimming, and I'll edit most of it out, we did eventually manage to hit the camera with it. There's bound to be somebody who wants the dimensions. Or you might even want the 3D file. Let me know if you want the file. Put a request in the video comments and I'll make it available. It really is as simple and basic as it can be. And obviously you need nose weight. I put a lot on there and then ended up taking about half of it back off again. The wing, let's have a look. That is 24 or 240 millimeters by 45. I think I'd actually designed it to be 50. So I've cut that a bit smaller than intended. And for those of you who like it in English, that's 9 1/4 by 1 3/4. And then the tail, which I shortened a bit from what I started with. That one's 45, so that's got to be the same, yeah. By 25. Which is 1 3/4, which we already said, and 25 is about 1 inch. You might notice that the print is only on one side. That's so we can print it flat. So those bits that help support the wing are just sticking out on the one side. The hook, I just guessed where it ought to be. Some people put it further back, some people put it further forwards. And I used a single rubber band, and that's a bit of bamboo cane or barbecue stick, just to launch it. Keep your fingers out the way so you don't hit your fingers. So that's a Catapult launched glider made from a pizza box. The pizza box itself, that is about 1.5 millimeters thick. Oh. Yeah, it's less than 2. I reckon 1.5 millimeters thick. That's what I allowed for. I think I actually made the holes about 2 millimeters, knowing that my printer will lose a little bit. And that's it, done.